Hi everyone, this is Christina. Welcome back to my kitchen. Hope everyone is doing amazing, enjoying the sun outside. I'm making today a very special dessert. It's something I haven't done before. It's a chocolate mousse, but it's a kind of cheesecakey chocolate mousse. I don't have a name for the recipe yet, but I'm sure I'll find something. So it'd be a biscuit base and then chocolate mousse on top, and then caramel lava, and then a bit of meringue, and that meringue is gonna be burned with my little fire burner. So yum yum yum. The video will be on rapid again. Of course, if you like what you see here today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that little bell so that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. And thank you again so much for watching and taking the time out of your precious day to be with me. So until next time guys, hope to see you soon, and until then, go break an egg. Take care.